Welcome. Question number 17. This will be on matrices. We are to find the value of x for which the determinant of 2x as the first entry x minus 3 minus 5 will give us what? 14. So in order to find that, we know to find the determinant, we find the product of the leading diagonal minus what? The other diagonal. So if I find the product, that is going to be, okay, let me rewrite this as 2x x minus 3 minus 5 equals to 14. So the leading diagonal will be minus 10x minus the other diagonal, which will also be minus 3x, as in this multiplying. This result is the one giving us what? 14. The determinant. This bar shows that we are talking about the determinant. Then this becomes minus 10x, negative times negative, positive 3x equals to 14. We know if you have minus 10 plus 3, it's just like 10, 3 minus 10. And that will give you minus 7. So I have minus 7x all equals to what? 14. But I need to find the x, so I divide both sides by minus 7. So if you cancel, your x will be negative 2. So in the options we have, the D will be the correct option. Alright, thanks for watching. Come back for question 18.